Man, open up everybody out. This is your boy Ginger, and I am not. I'm just so sad. I'm sorry, everybody, but I'll be able to y'all back up later on, cause your boy is sick. And literally, you dig? But, anyways, ladies, y'all still can call me. You know what I'm saying? To make your boy feel a little bit better. Oh my gosh, I gotta get rid of this cold. Hello, I'm gonna hit y'all up later on, so peace! Shoot.